Hello everyone. Now in this session I will explain question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 8.2 of chapter 8 decimals. Now let's begin with question number 3. Now in question number 3 we have write in the place value table. So we have already done this type of sums in the previous exercise. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to draw the place value chart, isn't it? So we have to make a box like this. Okay, we have to make this. Yes, now we'll start with 100. HUNDRED. Then we'll write tens. Then we'll write tens. And then we'll write ones. Then we'll write tenth. TENTH. Okay. And then we'll write 100. HUNDREDTH. And finally we'll write thousandth. TTH. Okay. So if you see the first number 0.29, so we have already discussed this method that just after the decimal the place value is tenth and then comes 100, then comes 1000. Okay, so 0.29 can be written as 0 would be written in the place of ones, because you see 0 is in the place of ones. Now then point is there, then after point we have 2, that is 2 should be in the 10th position, so we will write 2 here and 9 here. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number A. And what is the solution C? What is the question C is written? 19.60. So 9 is in the ones position, that is in unit place. 1 is in tens place. 6 is in 10th place and 0 is in 100 place. So we'll put 9 in place of ones, 1 in place of tens, 10th in place of 10th we'll write 6, and in place of 100th we'll put 0. Okay, so there is another one is there, 282. So we'll draw another box like this. Okay, now what is the number? 200. So obviously 2 is carrying, 2 should be written here. 100, that means in tens position. In tens position we have 0. In unit position also we have 0. So in both the places we'll put 0. Now just after the point, what number we are having? 8. So 8 will be placed just under the 10th position. Okay, and one place value is 100, and finally this 2 will come under 1000th position. So this is the solution of sum number 3. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 4. Now in question number 4 we have to convert this all expanded form into the decimal form. It's also very easy. So 20 plus 9 is what? 29. 4 by 10 means 0.4. And what is the meaning of 1 by 100? That means 0.01. Okay, so we have to convert all those fractional form into the decimal form first, and then finally we have to add. Now when we are adding, how to add this? 29 means 29.00, then the next number is 0.4, and the third number is 0.01. So we have to add this, that is 1, 4, 9 and 2. So final answer is what? 29.41. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number A. Now let's move on to sum number D. Now this is sum number D. So we have 23. 2 by 10 means only 1 0 is there. That means just after one digit we'll put the decimal. 6 by 1000, that means 3 zeros. That means we have to put decimal after 3 digits, but we have only one digit is there, so we have to adjust all those 2 is value with zeros. Okay, so 6 by 1000 can be written as 0.006. Okay, now finally we'll add it up. 23 means 23.000, 0.2, and finally 0.006. So 6023, here we'll put decimal, 23. So answer would be 23.206. Here is the solution of sum number 4. So let's do sum number E. Sum number E is also very easy. The first thing that you have to do, you have to add all these three numbers. Okay, so 700 plus 20 plus 5. So it will give you 725. So in place of this, we will write 725. And how to write 9 by 100 into the decimal form? It would be 0.09 after 2 digits. Okay, 2 zeros are there. After 2 digits, you will put the point. So finally, we have to add this now. The 725.09 would be the answer. Okay. So let's now move to question number 5. Now question number 5, you just have to write all the decimal form into the statement form, that is in words you have to write. So it's very easy. So what you have to write, 0.03. This is what you have to write. Okay, so what is the next one? Next one is C, that is 108.56. So what you have to write? You have to write 108, 108.56. 0.56. It's as easy as this. Okay, now what is sum number E written? Sum number E is 0.032. So what you have to write? The same thing, 0.032. Okay, so this is solution of sum number 5. Now let's move on to sum number 6. Now in sum number 6, what we have to do is we have to write what is written, see, between which two numbers in 10th place value. 10th means here. Okay, so what is the number written on the 10th place? That is 0. Fine. So between which two numbers in the 10th place does each of the given number lie? So how exactly you have to answer this one? So for this you have to write 0.06 is nearer to 0.1. Okay, so you just have to see the 10th place. Okay, so this number lies between 0.016. So this 0 is nearer to which 10th? It's 0.1. So let's see the other examples. I believe that you will understand. That is number C, 0.19. 0.19. So 19 means 0.19 is nearer to 0.2. Okay, so what is the nearest 10th value to 0.19? That is 0.2. Similarly, we have to do some number D also. Okay, that is 0.66. Now I hope you have understood this. What you have to write? 0.66 is nearer to, what is the 10th place then? We will write 0.7. Okay, nearer to 0.66, that is, what is the nearest 10th place to 0.66? It is 0.7. So simple. Okay students, now let's move on to sum number 7. Now in question number 7, you have to convert this into the fractional form first, and then you have to reduce it so that you can convert this whole form into the lowest term. Okay, so what is the first thing we have to do? We have to convert this into the fractional form, that is 0.60. So after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So we'll write 60 by 100. Okay, if after decimal there is only one digit is there, then you will write suppose 6 by 10. And suppose if there are 3 digits are there after decimal, so you will put you have to divide the number by 1000. Fine. So the first step that you have to do with this question number 7, that is you convert it into the fractional form, and then finally you have to reduce. So first you reduce these 2 zeros, then 6 by 10. Now divide this. That is 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So your final answer is 3 by 5. Okay. So this is what you have to do with each sum, each sums of question number 7. So this was A. So let's see what is the in C. C is 0.75. Again, after decimal, we have two digits. So what we have to write? 75 by 100. Now, these two numbers can be reduced by 5. So 5 15s are 5 20s are 5 3s are 5 4s are. So answer is 3 by 4. Okay, this is how you are supposed to convert into the lowest term. Let's see sum number E, 0.25. Again, after decimal, we have how many numbers? Two digits. So 25 by 100. So again, these two numbers can be reduced by 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 20s are 100. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. So answer is 1 by 4. Now finally F. So 0.125. Now this time we have three digits after the decimal. So what we have to write? I believe many of the students knows this. That is how many zeros? 3 zeros. That means we have to divide 125 by 1000. Now just reduce this with 5. So it would be 25 and this would be 200. Now again it can be reduced by 5. That is 5 5s are 25. 5 40s are 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are. So the final answer is 1 by 8. Okay. So I believe that all the sums were very easy for this session. These are the sums that we have discussed. In the next session, I will go to the next exercise. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you. Stay blessed and God bless you all.